Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities. This video is definitely going to be helpful for you, but make sure to watch the video till the end so that you are not missing any important information regarding to any hiring opportunity. Well, before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, make sure to subscribe. The channel is going to be helpful for you. Also, it will motivate me to make more such content for you. Well, our first opportunity, as you can see, that is from Zeta. So Zeta is hiring for the role of intern developer associate. Being from a tier 3 college is sometimes difficult for a student to get peace in their dream company because these companies like as product based or good startup don't visit to their campuses even though they do have the right skill set. So let's remove this restriction by letting you know about this amazing platform that is V-Level by Unacademy, which is partnered with amazing companies like Score.fit, 1MG, Urban Pro. Many startups and product-based companies are here which are looking for a right candidate with a right skill set. All they need is proper skill set from you. Nothing else, not your marks or anything do matter for them. If you have the proper skill set, then definitely this platform is for you. And the most amazing thing is that this platform is not just for fresher. This is for an experienced candidate as well. So if you are someone from 18 years to 40 years, you all can get an opportunity from here. If you are an experienced and looking for a job change, you can get a hike of more than 50% from this platform by giving the test. Now for the test, you have to score over 70% to be interviewed by these companies. So what are you waiting for? It's your chance to get peace in your dream company, even if you are in some doubt. So let me tell you that amazing achievers of V-Level platform. So here you can see these are the achievers of V-Level platform. And they do ensure that if you're from a non-tech background, you'll be getting a minimum package of 4 LPA. And if you're from a tech background, the minimum package for you will be 6 LPA. And students even get more than 15 LPA of package. You can go through it, the achievers that they do have, right? So it totally depends on your skill set and definitely how's your performance is going to be on the test. The link is given in the description itself. Do register now, give the test, and get peace in your dream company. And you can see the location they have mentioned is Bangalore. About Zeta, so this is a short description given regarding the company, that who is the founder, how it was founded, and all such relevant information that is definitely going to be helpful for you. Before the company in which you are applying, you should have the proper idea regarding that company. What are Zeta's product lines? So again, this is relevant information for you. You can go through it. But here in the video, we'll be talking about specific information only. So which profile it is hiring? I already mentioned that they are hiring for a developer associate at Zeta. Let's have a look on the role, that what should be a role basically. So as a developer associate, you will help them with video editing, transcribing, and blog writing specifically relevant to enrich the developer ecosystem. You will connect with other developers, contribute to open source, and share your work externally in contributed articles and on blogs. Your work will foster a community inspired by Zeta and will drive our strategy around developer love and Zeta's participation in the open source ecosystem. Further information has been added. You can go through it. Specifically, they have mentioned your roles and responsibilities. That is, should be good at video transcribing and making blog content, should be good at either front end or backend technology, should be good at the understanding API documentation, SDK integration, should be good at communication. You have a flair for ideating and building creative content. You are passionate, think out of the box, and are a go-getter. You understand the value of research and have an awareness of who your audience is. So this opportunity is for 2022 and 2023 batch. Make sure to apply for it. Our next opportunity is from Tara Capital Quant Developer Hiring Challenge. It is, as you can see right now, it is going to be open at 29 of October and will be closed at 7 of November. About challenge, as we can see, so Tara Capital is building its algorithmic trading team focused on developing infrastructure and quantitative strategies. The setup is intended to build the best-in-class low latency infrastructure and trade using high and medium frequency. The firm is looking for motivated and keen learners for the role of quant developer. Take up this challenge and stand a chance to join the amazing team. Eligibility criteria: if you are someone who is having 0 to 4 years of experience. Like if you are a fresher, then also you can apply. And if you're holding some sort of experience, then also you can apply. So basically we can say that this opportunity is for 21, 20, 20, 2022 and 2019 batches. Well, challenge format we can say, so there will be 10 MCQs, 2 programming questions. Quant developer, they are hiring 0 to 4 years of experience. Talking about requirements, so development experience in C++ for 0 to 4 years, experience in developing market data connectivity and order management system, working experience C++ with a clear understanding of data structures, threading, designing algorithm, profiling and debugging, strong coding fundamental, excellent learning skills, comfortable with high-speed work environment and steep learning curve. Hands-on experience in trading infrastructure development would be added advantage, enhancing the existing methodologies and exploring new ideas. So what they're going to offer you? High growth career opportunities, great learning environment, friendly work culture, competitive financial reward based on the performance, and support to candidates to pursue well-known certification exam. Okay, so further some things has been mentioned. You can go through it. Our next opportunity is from Wipro. So as you can see right now, WILP 2022 program it is. Work Integrated Learning Program 2022. This is for 2022 batch, talking about eligibility criteria. So you will be having 10th standard pass, 12th standard pass, graduation that is 60% or 6.0 CGPA and above as applicable by the university guidelines. Year of passing should be 2022. Every eligible candidate must go through below online assessment details appended for your reference. So first of all, there will be an online test of 80 minutes consisting of verbal, analytical, quantitative. Each section has 20 minutes per 20 questions. Written communication test of 20 minutes. Upon selection in the online assessment, candidate will be required to go through business discussion round. Cool. So candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in last 3 months are not eligible. It will solely at the discretion of Wipro to permit restrict participation by any candidate. Last day to apply is 24th of October. Online assessment to be communicated later. Okay, so if you have any query, you can reach out to manager.campus@wipro.com. Here's our next opportunity for the role of software engineer from Optum. Right, so Optum is hiring for the role of software engineer. You can explore further about this. So multiple positions are here. Interns and freshers profile the candidate, the ideal candidate. So if you are from 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023 batch, you can apply for it. The ideal candidate is a self-motivated multitasker and demonstrated team player. You will be a solo developer responsible for the development of new software products and enhancement to existing products. You should excel and working with large-scale application and frameworks. Responsibilities are going to be writing clean, high-quality, high-performance, maintainable code, develop and support software including applications, database integration, interfaces, and new functionality enhancement. Coordinates cross-functionality to ensure project meets business objectives and compliance standards. Support test and deployment of new products and features. Talking about the qualifications, so bachelor's, master's degree in computer science, MCA, any other relevant degree. Interns and fresher can apply. So if you're like they're hiring for intern as well as for freshers. So here they have specified that 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023 pass outs can apply. C++, data structure, JavaSQL you need. Expertise in object-oriented design, development, modeling, and testing. Ability to multitask, organize, and prioritize work. Good communication skill. Job location is going to be across India. For experience profile. So for experience profile also they're going to hire. So they have mentioned here bachelor's, master's degree in computer science, MCA, any relevant degree. And here they have added some important ones. You can just go through it. For senior software engineer, they are also getting. So this is a mass hiring from the side of Optum. They are hiring for multiple roles, guys. So just explore through it. And if you are having the relevant skill they are looking for, make sure to apply. Cool. So this is it for this video. These were some opportunities for you, and I'm sure that these opportunities are going to help you out, and definitely make sure to apply for them. The link is given in the description itself. So in the description itself, you will be finding the link for all these jobs. Make sure to apply. Also, guys, don't forget to register for re-level platform. It is an amazing platform that is going to offer you an opportunity to get placed in your dream company. So this is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe this channel. Bye bye everyone.